Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page scrolling a screenshot in Google Chrome. For this, you don't need any extension or software. This is a built-in feature of Google Chrome browser. First, you need to open Chrome browser. After that, navigate to the web page that you want to take a screenshot. Now you need to press Ctrl Shift plus I. Ctrl Shift plus I on the keyboard. After that, you need to press Ctrl Shift plus P. Now in this one run. After run, type a screen shot. Then you will see here capture full size a screenshot. Click on this one. That's it. Chrome will automatically download the full page screenshot, and you can see here. You can see this one full screenshot has been taken by Google Chrome. If you are using Microsoft Edge, I have shared the Edge method link in this video description also. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.